Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So there's a tutorial that I shared with you a year ago on this band. So in today's video we are going to talk about this band. So if you find this video entertaining, interesting, or if you learn something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, a year ago I shared with you a tutorial on how to make this band. So this is just an update on them, because also most of you have been asking me if I sell them. Yes, I do sell them. I'll put a link for you in the description box down below as well. So the only difference between this and the one that I shared with you is the fabric. I actually decided to change the fabric because of the comfortability. I feel like this one is very comfortable compared to the other one. The details are just the same. It has a velcro and it's very long. As you can see, it's very long. Also, most of my clients have been asking me if it comes in sizes. No, the size is just one. If you're a medium, small, XL, the size is just the same, unless if you want to wear two, but I haven't had any case where someone wants two. So I'm going to show you how it works if you haven't watched my first video. So this is how it looks again. It has a velcro right there, and then it's this long, and then it's stretches. So you're going to just wrap it on your tummy like this. This is how you're going to adjust it. It stretches, as you can see, it really stretches. So if you just wrap it like that, and then you can wrap it where you're comfortable. Don't just like pull it to make it tighter. Just make sure it's comfortable, because if it's not breathable, then you won't be comfortable, and you also don't want to suffocate yourself. So if you feel like if you put there and you feel like it's too tight, you can just adjust and put it like right there. Put it where you're comfortable, like there. But for me, I feel like this part right here is so loose. I feel like it's so loose, so I prefer when it's there. So like that, just continue wrapping it on your tummy. Overlap them so that it doesn't show. Just in case you want to go out with it, just overlap it like that, so that you know there are no bulges or bumps, like that. And then continue wrapping. So I'm not pulling mine so much because I really don't want it to be too tight. I just want it to be comfortable so that I can wear it maybe for longer hours. And then also another thing, guys, so that this is another velcro just to secure it again, like that. And again, I also love when my velcro is on the side. So for this part right here, I'm just going to pull it to the side. But then again, if you feel like it's not that comfortable, you're just going to loosen it and put it there where you're comfortable. So you can also adjust it to fit your tummy. So again, guys, when it's like this, I really feel like it's very comfortable. When it's like this, if your tummy is bigger than mine, you might not wrap it as many times as mine. Maybe you'll just go for like 3 or 4 rounds. Like, let's assume like my tummy was bigger. This is the first round. I'm not going to make it tighter. This is the first round. I'm just going to loosen it the second time, and maybe the third time or fourth time. And then now for the last one, you have to make sure it reaches this part right here. So like that. Okay, so that you have something like this. And then you can wear this when you're at home, when you're in the house, when you relax. You really don't have to go with it outside. So again, if you want to wrap it from your abdominal area, then you can just do so. But then again, if you wrap it like this, that means you're not really going out. Yeah, because how are you going to walk when it's like this? So the first time I was trying it on, I wasn't like spacing it, but right now I'm trying to space it so that, you know, it reaches like almost under my bust line. So I'm just going to do that, and again, wrap it like that. Wrap it like that. But I'm not pulling it so much. I'm not making it tighter because I really want it to be you know, comfortable. So you can wrap it like that. As you can see it from here, you can go out with this like that. But just make sure, guys, just make sure that it's comfortable. Just make sure that you're breathing. If you feel like it's too tight, just loosen it. Okay, or after you've eaten and then you feel like maybe it's uncomfortable, just remove it. Don't like strain yourself, don't put yourself in so much pressure, just take it off. And then also if you're not used to it the first time, maybe you might feel it's tighter, so just wear it for like 3-4 hours and then take it off. You don't have to wear it for 8 hours or 10 hours. And then I really don't advise you to sleep in this bands, because of course it will like restrict your breathing when you're sleeping. So I really won't advise you to sleep in them, especially like just because you want to get like a flat tummy. I really don't advise you to sleep in your shapewear, your corset. It looks at the back, as you can. So guys, if you watched my previous video with my grandma, she really advised to wrap your tummy immediately after delivery, because it kind of helps to shrink your tummy or your uterus, other than waiting for like a week or two to start like you know, binding your tummy. You really have to do it immediately for the tummy to start shrinking. Like doing it immediately is going to help a lot. You're going to see some difference compared to if you have to wait for a week or two for you to start binding your tummy. So guys, about CS, I really want to advise you to use it immediately after CS. Guys, I am not a doctor, I really can't say so much about that, but if you really want to use this and you've had CS, just consult with your doctor. Even if it's normal delivery, just consult your doctor as well. But one thing I know about it is actually okay for normal delivery. For CS, I really can't tell you about that. I personally also don't think like it will be okay to use it after CS. You don't want to get infections. So also this band, it works like the traditional Malaysian way of wrapping your tummy. I think their band is called Bangkok or something. I'll put their name right here. I really can't remember the name, but they use Bangkok to wrap your tummy or to bind your tummy after delivery, so that the uterus shrinks faster. So I feel like these band, they work almost the same to shrink your uterus. Again, I just remember there's another hack that my grandma shared with us on how to wrap your tummy after delivery, and I really felt so good because so many people appreciated the hack or the idea, and also most of the people could relate with that, especially African countries. It's a hack that most of the African countries, or it's just like a traditional way to, you know, to shrink your tummy after delivery. And I was so impressed that most of the people could relate with that. And yeah, I've never had a six-pack, I've never had abs, because I really don't work on my muscles. But then if you really want to get a permanent smaller tummy or abs, you really have to work out. You just have to work on your muscles. These bands are very portable, so you can just carry it to wherever you're going. So you're just going to fold it like that, like this. My advice is just try it on first when you're at home before like deciding to go with it outside, because you never know. Something that is comfortable, something that I'm comfortable with, maybe you might not be comfortable with it, or maybe I might be comfortable in it for like maybe 2-3 hours, and maybe for you just comfortable in them for like you know, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So just make sure before you decide to go with it outside, just make sure you wear it in your house, just to see if you are, you know, you're comfortable. This is something that I have to tell you, because our bodies are different, and especially if you've never worn a corset, if you don't wear like shapewear, and then also if you're not like used to wearing maybe corsets or shapewear, you can just wear it for maybe 2-3 hours and then take it off, and then maybe after a week try and wear it for longer hours, just to be, you know, just to train your body to be used to, you know, to it. Like sleeping in your corset is just not comfortable. Sleeping in your strainer is just not comfortable. Sleeping in tight underwears is just not comfortable. So just make sure you don't wear them at night. I just advise you not to wear them at night. So guys, I have the band in this outfit. Showing the Velcro is right here. The other one, I don't know, I think it's somewhere there. I can't feel it. But I always tell you, like on most of my shapewear videos, if you pair your shapewear, your corset in multicolored outfit, like no one is going to notice that you have a shapewear in that outfit. And as you can see in this dress, like no one can really tell that I have a shapewear. I have the band in this outfit. This is how it looks at the back. This is how it looks in this dress. So in a plain colored outfit, someone might notice the velcro, or if it's a corset, someone might notice the hooks. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.